We just have a few things.
Let's use the self-checkout. It looks quick.
Okay, I brought our reusable bags.
Good. Put them right here.
And I have a coupon for the coffee.
We can scan that at the end.
Do you want to scan or bag?
I will scan, you bag.
Sounds good. Go ahead. First item. Okay. One down, a few more.
The milk.
This is easy so far. The bread. Nice and quick.
Just a couple more things. Next item.
Put it in the bag.
I did, but now it is beeping red.
What does the screen say?
Unexpected item in the bagging area.
Unexpected item? What does that mean?
I am not sure. It stopped. The red light is flashing. I cannot scan anything now.
Should we take something out?
I tried. It still beeps. Let's press the help button.
Okay, pressing it now. A light came on. Someone is coming. Let's just wait for help. Here comes an attendant. Hi. The machine stopped on us.
No problem. Let's take a look. It says unexpected item. Is that your own bag on the scale?
Yes, our reusable bag.
The scale weighs everything in that spot.
So, the heavy bag confused it?
Exactly. I will tap use my own bag. Oh, the red light is gone. Now, you can keep scanning.
That was an easy fix. Thank you.
Happy to help. Just wave if you need me.
We will.
Have a good one.
Okay, back to scanning. The eggs. And that is the last item. Now, let's pay. The total is $42.
42 for this much. That seems too high. Let's check the screen. Milk, milk, milk 3 times. The milk scanned 3 times. We only have 1. It must have counted extra during the beeping. We should not pay for 3. Let's wave the attendant back.
Good idea. Over here, please. He's coming back now. Thanks for coming back.
Of course. What happened?
The milk scanned 3 times.
Let me see. Yes, 3 milks here. We only have 1 in the bag. I will remove the 2 extra ones.
Thank you. What is the total now?
Down to $26.
That looks right.
And here is your coffee coupon scanned.
Great. Now, I can tap my card.
Go ahead. Tap it there. Payment done. Thank you so much.
You are all set. Take care. Okay, everything is in the bags. 1 milk, not 3.
And the coupon saved us a few dollars.
The machine had a rough day.
So did we, a little. But it all worked out. Next time we watch the screen at the end.
Good plan. Check the total. The reusable bags made it home. They caused a little trouble, but I still like them.
Me, too. They are good for the planet. Let's go enjoy that coffee.
The coffee we saved a coupon for. A good ending to a long checkout. Let's head home.